मैं उससे मिलकर बात करूंगी। I will talk to him in person. I will talk to him in person. तुमने क्या मांगा था? What did you ask for? What did you ask for? हे भगवान, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया है? Oh God, what have I done? Oh God, what have I done? मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था। I should not have done this. I should not have done this. मुझे किस बात का डर? What have I to fear? What have I to fear? मैं ये करने पर मजबूर हूं। I am bound to do this. I am bound to do this. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it always happen to me? Why does it always happen to me? ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? तुम किसकी तरफ हो? Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? देखो, टाल मटोल मत करो। Look, don't put it off. Look, don't put it off. मैंने हमेशा आपकी बात मानी है। I have always listened to you. I have always listened to you. किस्मत हमें साथ लाई है। Fate has brought us together. Fate has brought us together. आपका इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। You have nothing to do with this. You have nothing to do with this. उसने मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया। He told me a lot about you. He told me a lot about you. वो बिल्कुल अपनी माँ की तरह दिखती है। She looks just like her mother. She looks just like her mother. हमने इंतजार किया लेकिन वो नहीं आई। We waited but she did not come. We waited but she did not come. कुछ दिनों में वो घर आ जाएगा। He will come home in a few days. He will come home in a few days. मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना नहीं आता। I don't know how to play cricket. I don't know how to play cricket. मैंने उससे आने को कहा था। I told him to come. I told him to come. मैं पैदल स्कूल जाता हूँ। I go to a school on my foot. I go to a school on my foot. क्या हुआ था उस दिन दीपक? What had happened that day दीपक? तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? What more do you want? What more do you want? एक मिनट रुको, क्या हम पहले मिल चुके हैं? Wait a minute, have we met before? Wait a minute, have we met before? बाद में आना। Come back later. Come back later. क्या तुम अपने मम्मी पापा को बताया है? Have you told your parents? Have you told your parents? तुम बैठो, मैं नहा के आता हूँ. You sit, I'll take a bath and come. You sit, I will take a bath and come. यहाँ तो एक पेन भी नहीं है. There is not even a pen here. There is not even a pen here. वो वही है जिससे मैं शादी करना चाहता हूँ. She is the one I want to marry. She is the one I want to marry. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. I was behind you. I was behind you. मेरे बाईं ओर कोई नहीं था. There was no one left to me. There was no one left to me. क्या मुझे कुछ खाने को मिलेगा? May I get something to eat? May I get something to eat? 10 में से 3 के पास मोबाइल थे. 3 out of 10 had mobiles. 3 out of 10 had mobiles. रोहित तुम्हारी सीट पर बैठा हुआ है. रोहित is sitting in your seat. रोहित is sitting in your seat. हम लोग सोमवार को आएंगे. We all will come on Monday. We all will come on Monday. वो मेरे खिलाफ उसे भड़का रहा था. He was provoking him against me. He was provoking him against me. वो मेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है. He is talking about me. He is talking about me. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मेरी चेतावनी के बावजूद तुम पार्टी में गए. Despite my warning, you went to the party. Despite my warning, you went to the party. उनसे मिले हुए 1 महीना हो गया है. It has been a month since I met him. It has been a month since I met him. तुम बच्चों की तरह क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying like a child? Why are you crying like a child? यहाँ से बस स्टेशन कितनी दूर है? How far is the bus station from here? How far is the bus station from here? मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं ठहर सकता. I can't stay here for so long. I can't stay here for so long. मेरे घर के सामने उसका घर है. His house is in front of mine. His house is in front of mine. बकवास बंद करो. Stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. कहाँ थे तुम? कितनी बार फोन किया मैंने तुम्हें? Where were you? I called you so many times. Where were you? I called you so many times. कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है. Something doesn't feel right. Something does not feel right. उसने मेरा फोन नहीं उठाया. He did not pick my call. He did not pick my call. मैं अकेले क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do alone? What can I do alone? मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I do it? How can I do it? मुझे ये कहाँ मिल सकता है? वेयर कैन आई फाइंड इट, या तो फिर वेयर कैन आई गेट इट। वेयर कैन आई गेट इट। वो अपने मोबाइल के बिना रह नहीं सकता। ही कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट हिज मोबाइल। ही कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट हिज मोबाइल। मुझे ये बहुत पहले ही करना चाहिए था। I should have done this long ago. I should have done this long ago. मैं ना तो धूम्रपान करता हूं और ना ही शराब पीता हूं। I neither smoke nor drink. I neither smoke nor drink. मुझे ऐसा कहने का पछतावा है। I regret having said so. I regret having said so.